What is the nature of Japan? Japan consists of a long series of islands stretching for 3,000 kilometers from north to south. 3/4 of the country is mountainous, with plains and basins covering the remaining area. The 4 main islands are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Japan is surrounded by sea. Mount Fuji is a symbol of Japan. The mountain contributes to Japan's physical, cultural, and spiritual geography. Mount Fuji is the tallest mountain in Japan, standing at 3,776 meters. As an island nation, it's no surprise that Japan has plenty of beautiful beaches everywhere. Japan's beaches are always clean, with emerald green waters and soft white sands to please everybody. Your choice for exploring the depths of Japan are the Nippro limestone caves. These caves are an amazing experience of natural geological formations. You'll get to see stalactites and stalagmites, as well as a fascinating glimpse into some of the underground shrines and holy places of Japan. Lake Biwa is a large freshwater lake in Shiga Prefecture, northeast of Kyoto. It's known for its abundant fish population, migratory water birds, and wetland regions. The Shinano River is 367 kilometers in length and is as long as the distance between Niigata and Tokyo. It is the longest river in Japan. Some of Japanese native plants such as camellia, lily, cherry blossoms, hosta, maple, red-crowned crane, Ashuri black bear, Stella's sea lion, Japanese pond turtle, Japanese macaque, Japanese giant salamander, green pheasant, sika deer. Hope you enjoyed this info.